Hi everyone, welcome back to E-Roll Battery. Today we're going to do a battery replacement on a Porsche Cayenne. It's the same as a 2003 to 2018 and the same one as the Audi Q7. So we're going to start by looking in front of the driver seat. That's where you're going to find the battery. So this car battery is dead. We're going to start by giving it a jump start. So we can move the seat forward and back, and we can take out the 4 bolts. There's 2 in the front and two in the back. Once we get the car started, then we're going to remove the jump box. Just remember, positive and negative, and it's the same way to install the jump box. Alright, so we're going to begin by taking out the plastic cover in the front of the 2 front bolts. We're going to use a flathead screwdriver to remove them. Then we're going to use a tidbits to remove those 2 bolts in the front. And it's going to be the same tool to remove the one in the back. So we're going to start from the right, then to the left. Once you remove the 2 bolts in the front, we're going to move the seat forward so we can have access to the back. Once you move the seat forward, move the back of the seat forward too, so you can have more space. We're going to remove the plastic cover of the bolts in the back. There's 2 of them on each side. Then we're going to remove the 2 bolts. Once you remove those 2 bolts in the back, then you can move the seat backwards so you can have access to the bottom of the seat. As you can see there's a wire harness. You're just going to have to move it out of the way so you can have more space to work on there. We're going to turn up the car and remove the key from the ignition, and we're going to start by moving all these clips to hold the battery cover. There are 4 clips going all the way around. Once you remove the clips, then you're going to remove the cover, and we're going to start by taking out the negative. Once you take out the negative, as you can see, there's 2 battery hold down. There's one in the corner and one in the middle of the battery. Both of them are 10 millimeters. We're going to remove the corner hold down. Just lift it straight up and it'll come out. Now we're going to remove the positive. It's a 10 millimeter. So you're just going to remove it out of the way so we can have some access to the one in the middle. You're going to take out the middle battery hold down, and the battery is going to come up. Just pull it straight up. And it's the same way to install the new battery. Then we're going to start by the hold down that is in the corner of the battery, and we're going to tighten it using a 10 millimeter. We're going to put in the positive terminal, then the negative terminal after you install the middle hold down of the battery. Tighten both of the terminal using a 10 millimeter. Then we're going to pull down the battery cover. Just remember to put in the 4 clips that go around the battery to hold down the cover. You're just going to put it on top and then clip it in. Now we're going to go to the back of the seat and we're going to install the 2 bolts. Alright, put on the 2 bolts tight. Then we're going to put in the plastic cover of the bolts. You're just going to slide it in and clip it down. Now we're going to move back the seat so you can have enough clearance for the 2 bolts. Once you move the seat back, now you're going to hand tighten the 2 bolts. And we're going to tighten them down. Now once you tightened out the 2 bolts, you're going to put in the plastic cover on both sides. And move the seat forward so you can have some space to start the car. Once you get the car started, just look around and see if you have a check engine light that doesn't come off. And as you can see here, we do. So we're going to reset the car and erase all the codes so that check engine light can turn off. Thank you for coming back and watching our video. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.